Right, the Araneta is rocking right now. The De La Salle fans coming to life. Having fun right now. Kita natin, nakahabol ang De La Salle. At ngayon, lamang pa ng 16 to 14. Let's see if Ateneo can, again, they have to close it. You know, if you're talking about Ateneo, you can't give De La Salle that glimmer of hope. But De La Salle, as we said, they know what it takes. They've done it in the first round. They were in the same situation before, down by 2 sets, and then finally closing out that match in 5. 16-15, Phil Caillet with the serve. Good reception from Gohing. Back set. Going to Gumabaw, and she scores.
So the lead is 17. Nagising itong kupunan ni Coach Ramil de Jesus na sobrang dami na palitan ng tao, naghahanap ng kombinasyon, naghahanap ng momentum. This girl has been probably the only consistent from start to finish so far. Ferrer, medyo nagiging faulty yung reception natin dito sa third set. That's out.
All right, Q finally getting a break because she has been blocked earlier. She's been so unfortunate, especially meron pa siyang mga errors kanina, regalo na. Nag-net pa siya, no? But this time she hits it off the block of Eliza.
The crucial third set.
Dito nagkakaroon ng
The swing set. They call it the swing set. Either Ateneo finishes it, or Coach Ramil and his girls, very proud girls, defending champions, come back. Jem Ferrer. 18-16 is our score. Bumalik ang bola sa Ateneo. Valdez. That's too wide on the angle. Looking for a check ball, but not given. So the lead is 3. Ang Ateneo naman ang naghahabol ngayon, pero lamang po sila. 2 sets to love. And a service error. As Gretchen Hall marches back for Ateneo, Denton Lazaro sits down. Liza Valdez on deck. In a quiet afternoon for her, she hasn't had a reason to make a lot of noise because her team is playing so well together. And a great serve by the girl they affectionately call Baldo. And the lead is only 1 now as Coach Ramil will call a timeout.
Tumigil ka lang kasi tumingin sa score. Dito kasi, di ba? Ako to. Rachel, ito si Ella. Rachel, pasukin mo rito. Ella, dyan ka muna ha. Hindi, ayaw mo rito. Mamaya, sa reception. Dito lang. Pumasok ka, Rachel. Ako lang, Ella ha. Pasok ka lang ha.
La Salle, Lady Spikers, in the lead by 19-18 so far. Valdez continues to serve. Budgie Bar, Obar Sasea. And a good serve. And Ateneo climbs back, ties the game. Abby Maraño will move out for DLSU. It is Cian Cruz who comes in for defense now. As Valdez continues to serve. Matagal-tagal na rin. Mga katatlong serve na rin to si Ali Valdez. The chance of MVP from the crowd of Ateneo. Kala ko sa basketball ko lang naririnig yung mga ganyan. Uy, nagdalawang isip si Q. De Jesus. Tabla tayo 19. Reyes.
Finally, a set that she likes. That was the right height for Reyes. Although it was a push, but still, she got the right set. Yan, lumabas ng bahagya sa net and perfectly timed. That power tip was enough to get them the lead, 20-19. Very tight. This is very, very crucial right now.
Yep. It's amazing. As this serve goes out, that she's getting the loudest cheers from LaSalle, but also getting the boos from Ateneo. Yun yung katapat lagi, no?
20 all.
How about De Jesus? This is the most that she's played
Yes,
this season.
she started it.
And it's in the finals.
Mhm.
Triple block doesn't work. So now we are at that point, Doc. Kapitan na ito, 21-20. Patibayan na ng dibdib dito sa dulo.
I'd like to say, Boom, this time no excuses.
Yes.
Both of these teams,
Yes.
they're a veteran. Ateneo is now a veteran team. Itong De La Salle, they have won a lot of championships. No excuses. Hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin na hindi sanay sa ganitong venue.
Correct.
Hindi ganito sa sanay sa ganitong pressure. Not this time.
Again, they have been the two best teams in the league for the last 2 years.
Yes.
Arguably the two most popular too, as Gervasio gets them on even footing now, 21 all, and she's serving right now here in the third set.
Let's see how she serves this one.
Ooh! Law of averages, my friend.
And the De La Salle fans right behind Z were up with joy.
Yep.
You know, that ball hit the
Yep.
net. Because they know how deadly Z can string up 4 or 5 service aces in a row.
Roger Koreev looking on. Fajardo with a great serve. Koreev.
Naku,
Reverse
ticket.
set.
That's not gonna work. That was too close to the net.
And Coach Rogers' team down by 2. LaSalle ahead and 2 points away from coming back here.
Saan ba si Phil? Sa gitna pala si Phil. Ba't pinilit ko kay Diretso? Saan? Aldo! Papasok ka ha. Dahil sinalagyan natin ng backline ito dito ha. Ha? Ayun, nasaan ka? Ito na natin. Dalawa lamang nila ha. Isipan niyo maigi ha. Para makadiskat. Phil! Diretso, dito ka. Dito lang. Pasok ka lang. Dito ha.
Patingin lang natin yung mga kapamilya natin sa buong Pilipinas na nanonood. Mga Ilocano na imbag nga daw. Imbag na malem kadayako amin. Agyaman akti support tayo amin. ETUAP. Everybody, yung mga Ilocano natin kapamilya. Dami kanina yung mga Ilocano.
Yeah.
Kapampangan. And everybody watching in Japan,
Oh,
Belgium,
yeah, all over the world.
Norway, Doha, Qatar, Dubai.
Outside.
Maraming salamat as LaSalle commits a service error at a very crucial
Wow,
juncture.
what a read by Z Gervasio. That ball was just 2 inches off the line. And Fajardo with that crucial service error.
A former basketball player who ended up playing volleyball because there was no basketball program in Ica. He was the one serving earlier, talking about Gretchen Ho. Now a chance for LaSalle here. They're up
Back
1.
set, nice set. That was a nice set.
Coverage was there though. Valdez, itinapik lang. Buhay pa to. Kalang again. Gervasio pops it right back up. Underhand set to Kainglet. Kainglet to the block. Maranyo asking for it, doesn't get it. It is Gumaba who gets it. And they are a point away from extending this set to a 4th.
I like the set though. Kita mo Gumaba, although she was behind the ball already.
Talent of Kim Fajardo, really.
Grabe. Dikit yun sa net.
Yeah.
That set was one of the hardest to make.
We have some incredible talent. Volleyball at its finest, at its highest level here, collegiate volleyball.
Coach Ramil egging on the girls. We need only a point.
That's right,
A free
Regalo!
And they get it. De La Salle wins set number 3.
To the delight of all the volleyball fans, because they want to see more, Doc Ian. Ateneo,
Wow.
is this going to be like their first meeting? We'll find out